Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Tuesday morning haul, and it's a little late by the time I get up, but because I'm even filming it late, but I just want to show you some of the goodies. Now, when I went in, they had a lot of paper, so check out my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. Hopefully they're all already up there, but they had a lot of paper pads by Echo Park, Bo Bunny. Well, it wasn't so much Bo Bunny the week that I went. They came later, some of the November came, but it was also Pink Paisley, Goldenrod. There was a lot of paper. I mean, a lot of paper pads. So hopefully your store should be getting them soon. So actually, we've been having lots of paper pads for the last couple of weeks. So anyway, I did pick up this ephemera pack by Pink Paisley, and I thought it was really cute. It has the fox and stuff in it, and so that pinkish brown kind of collection. I don't know the name of Again. Oh, duh, Again and Again. But that's what it looks like. Then I saw this in my Goldenrod. This is a 40-piece one. And that's what those look like. I believe I got that one. And I got this one again. I got this last year. I used most of it up, so I got another one this year. This is the La 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 Love collection, and this has 44 pieces, and that's what that looks like. This is like the only time of year I can stand pink. I thought this was cute too. This one says Smile, and that's the name of it, Smile. Phrase icons: enjoy today, live a life you love, good vibes only, let's be lazy, and choose happy. They had quite a few different, I had to be good, but had quite a few different styles. And this would be in the clear plastics with adhesive on the back, 4x12. Then they had the Bo Bunny. This is Noteworthy collection. I was thinking, because of the colors, you know, like the red, the blues, more masculine, but I could use some of these trucks and stuff maybe to make an embellishment. I thought maybe. That was my thinking on that. That's what some of these pieces are in there. Just having some ephemera that I can use. And then this sticker set, it's called Loves Me. Happy, you know, of course, the body, excuse me. Sorry, I had to take a yawn this late. XO, sweetheart, I love you, I like you. In my heart, you know, love, cutie pie. So all those sentiments, you don't have to use them just for holiday. You can use those kind of sentiments, you know, for your friends, BFFs, family members, spouse, you know, that kind of stuff. This was it. Oh yeah, they had the 6x8 pads as well. They had quite a few of simple stories, a lot of simple stories, and a lot of simple story packs, goodie bags and stuff. Say cheese. They had My Heritage by I got all of them, so many. But anyway, this was one of them by Have Faith, and I just flipped through that one for you real quick. It's double-sided. I resisted. It was so hard, but you know, it's hard to find that kind of paper. That's why I got that one. $2.99, and this is a 3-pack of the Heidi Swap transfer folders. And then the last one on this haul, I did get, you know, last couple things, couple chipboard, Echo Park, and the paper's out too as well. $3.99. They had the ephemera and the paper, but so super cute. One of the girls that I craft with, this one. So see, she made a pocket letter out of this. Pretty. I just love the colors, and it turned out really nice. It was our first pocket letter. We made did a pocket letter swap, and she did it out of that. So cool. And this is 50 Shades kit, 12 by 12 and $2.99. And so this page like geometric, fishbone, linen, wavy, right angles, and connected. So I thought for a masculine look, I don't think it's double-sided. Let me peek. Sorry about the sound, because I know. Yeah, it's double-sided. Cool. So this you can layer with some nice pretty colors, you know, because this is a basic. So that's the A's and that's the B side. And this goes with the ephemera pack, the Fa La La ephemera pack. I said Fa La La. It's La La Love. I say that every time when I say this. But nice chipboard piece. So, quite a few of those are out. And they have some Bo Bunny ones out too. That was all I got. They had so much stuff. So much. They even had, and again, by the time this video up, everybody else will see it, but they had the Fiskars Precision, the one that you can open up to have the whole 12 by 12 sheet for $24.99. Posted that on my Instagram. I debated because I really don't need to cut up. It was a nice price. I keep debating about that one. But anyway, they had that. They had tons of Wear Memory Keeper stuff. The journaling guide, the magnetic, magnetic letters and stuff. Anyway, check TM. They're loaded. Anyway, take care. God bless. And I dare you to be creative.